Hey YouTube, welcome to Cooking Conversations. I'm not gonna be happy today. I'm just kidding. Happy Monday. I am excited today about ice cream. And do you know people get mad at you because you want to be happy and you want to feel good? I'm sorry if I offend you with my happiness and if I am just too excited because of food and ice cream. But we are at Dairy Cream today and we are trying their new Pecan Blizzard. It's new for the fall. It's part of their fall recipes and their fall menu. And it's the Blizzard, the traditional Blizzard with the soft serve ice cream. But it has pecans and it has brown sugar bites and caramel and deliciousness. So they're mimicking it after pecan pie, obviously. I'm just hoping that it have enough pecans in it to be like pecan pie, because sometimes when you get ice cream it's like, yeah, a little nut here, a little pecan, a little almond here and there. But if it's filled with nuts and it's filled with sweet sugary goodness, this is going to be a win. All right, go with me today. I'm gonna go and get my ice cream order, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. All right, I will see you in a minute. All right, you guys, we got our pecan pie Blizzard. This is the mini, so this one is $3.39. You can get one a little bigger as a small, and it's $3.89. So I figured this is plenty enough for me, and it comes with everything, with all the whipped cream and everything on top. Let's see if it's filled to the max with pecans. Uh-oh, this looks like this is about to make a mess, but let's see. Here we go. Filled to the max with pecans. Look at that. Here we go. Yes. And that first bite. I got pecans. I got caramel. And I got some chewy, I guess that's the brown sugar bites. Okay, so this is definitely worth trying. Delicious, creamy, crunchy because of the pecans, sweet because of the brown sugar bites, or the brown sugar pie bites, caramel, delicious. Go out and try it. The new pecan pie Blizzard at Dairy Queen. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And once again, do me a favor, please let the ads roll. I really would appreciate that. That really helps me out a lot. And last but not least, be happy. Enjoy.